Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first, go ahead and locate your Roblox and then right click it, show more options if you're using Windows 11, and then just open file location. And then once you're here, you're gonna have to right click this exact name like this, Roblox Player Launcher. So go ahead and right click this, show more options, and this time go to properties. And once you're here, go to compatibility tab and then check this run this program as an administrator and then hit apply and OK. Now check if your Roblox is fine. If it's not, then go ahead and reinstall your Roblox. To do that, hit the start button and then search for uninstall. And then click add or remove programs. And once you're here, just go ahead and search for your Roblox. And then click these three dots right here and then hit uninstall. And after you've done that, go ahead and search Roblox website again like this and then reinstall your Roblox. Now you can also do this by going through Microsoft Store. Press your start button again and then search for Microsoft Store. And in the search bar, go ahead and search for Roblox and then install it through here. Now that should also fix the problem. So there you have it. I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.